Hi there, my name is Sam, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can translate your blog posts, pages and product detail pages you have built with Instant. For the three layout types, pages, product templates and blog posts, you can now enable Shopify markets. And to do so, you head over to the settings of a specific page. Under layouts, we are currently working on this product template page, and then we open the settings of this specific page. Then under advanced, you can find the Shopify markets feature. Before we enable this, let's go to the Shopify theme editor of this specific product detail page. And then right here, as you can see, none of the fields on this product detail page can currently be adjusted. So back in Instant, let's toggle on Shopify markets. Then there is a message saying when this feature is enabled, content must be managed in Shopify. Content changes in Instant won't be reflected unless manually overwritten from here. The way to overwrite the content changes is by clicking on Publish again to sync the changes to Shopify. Now Shopify Markets is enabled, and let's publish this again. It's published. As you can see, it's currently assigned to the body protection product. So right now, if we go to the Shopify theme editor, you will see that all the content fields can be adjusted. So here we are in the Shopify theme editor, and now all the content fields can be adjusted, as you can see right here. Then it also integrates with Shopify markets. So for this specific store, I have set up a variety of different markets. So when we click on the Netherlands, we can again change all of the content, translate it to Dutch. And then if we go to the United States, we can do the same thing. And that's how you can create localized shopping experiences with the new Shopify markets feature. This feature is available for business and enterprise customers and available for partner licenses. So I hope you have a good understanding of this new and exciting feature after watching this video, and stay tuned for more product updates.